So today we started at Devil's Courthouse parking lot, which is down there. We're actually up on Devil's Courthouse. We are going to walk over to Sam Knob, which is in that picture. Go back over towards Black Blossom and walk the MST back to Devil's Courthouse. Should be at 8.5 miles. So that way goes to the parking lot. We're going this way to Sam Knob. Elijah, what color are the blazes?
Blue.
What shape are they? Alright. What are you doing if you get to an intersection and we're not there yet? You wait. Don't get far ahead. Stay with your brothers. So we're going to go around Chestnut Knob, and then we're going to take a left on the next trail. Well, that's not true. We're going to take a right on the next trail. Then we're going to go left around Chestnut Knob. So we're at the turn between the Mountain Sea Trail and Little Sam. We're going to go towards Little Sam and then catch Flat Little Creek.
Time to drink some dirty water.
But hey, pretty good. They're calling it dirty water because they put grape Gatorade and orange Gatorade in. It looks like dirt. Elijah, show me your Gatorade. See? That would be what happens when you do orange Gatorade and grape Gatorade. So now we're on Sam Knob Trail. Heading up towards Sam Knob. So that's Little Sam Knob right there. Devil Courthouse, Chestnut Knob. Tenement Mountain and Blossom Knob over there. And, Mount Hardy is there. So after a little nap, well, not really nap, a siesta, and snack and water, we're heading back down Sam Knob.